All right, good morning. We're at 3402 Linwood in Royal Oak, and Dave is actually going to kind of discuss what we're seeing or not seeing here on the camera as we kind of pull back.
Okay, right now we're seeing a black screen because we're up underneath water. The sewer system's totally blacked up right now, and you'll see as it gets cloudy and starts to come up out of the water here. And then we're going to hit a series of enormous amounts of roots.
You just had a quick peek there. You guys can kind of see what we've got there. That's his camera punching through about 90% blockage here.
Right there.
Okay. So at this point, do we have any idea how far we are roughly?
I would have to say pretty close to the main because I did get out there pretty far. You're going to see, like I said, a lot of roots coming in this thing. Roots here. And it gets worse. So this is the part that concerns me. All this root right here coming in at the top.
Lateral growth.
Yeah. It tells me one of two things. Either the roots like growing on top of that pipe and defy gravity, or
right.
there's a crack in the pipe
Yeah.
growing through, because you see these long ones hanging out. And it's just nonstop. See what I'm talking about?
This is what we consider heavy.
This is what I call suspicious. I'm not saying it is broke, but it very well could be.
Right. So the cutter will scrape all that out, okay, and then we'll be able to see the actual integrity of the pipe. If you know, what we'd be looking for is crack lines and things in the pipe here after it's cut.
See, root growth at the joints, that don't bother me.
It's common.
Very common. What bothers me when I see between the joints and that whole long section of it right there that I saw.
So there's a couple areas of calcium buildup with root growth in it as well. So now here,
yeah, see this right here. This is the cast iron. This is where it gets to the very first joint. That's how I knew it was going to be heavy rooted.
Right. So we're coming to the house now, real damn close. We're probably within about 6 feet of coming back up out of this sewer. So.
Not even that. We're coming up now.
All right. So the cast iron is in good shape, but once we hit that first joint, we see those roots, like Dave said. It's, you know, it gives you a little bit of concern as to let's get this thing cleaned out and find out what's really going on as far as the integrity of the pipe.
What we don't want you to do is buying a house that you do have to replace the pipe, and because of those roots we can't see what the integrity of that pipe is. And then you end up having to pay $14,000, $15,000 to replace it.